If you've been like that. So that's what's coming up next here on Survival on Purpose. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose. My name is Brian. Thanks for joining me for this hopefully quick update video with a little giveaway incentive at the end. So I thought it was a good idea to do this because if you've been following the channel for a while, you may have noticed for the last few months I've gone from doing 2 videos a week to about 2 videos a month. And I want to explain the reason for that and to kind of give you the notification that I'm about to try to get back on track and start ramping my schedule back up. And also kind of give you a sneak peek or two about what's coming up. And I'll try to be brief, but you know me, I do tend to ramble. So anyway, why have I slacked off? I've had some people, you might have been one of them, email me and said, "Hey man, are you okay? Is everything all right?" Everything is fine. Everything is great. I've just been really busy on several fronts. I have a plumbing contracting company and I've gotten real busy, had some really big projects kind of all come up at the same time and kind of come together at the first part of this year, which is a good thing because YouTube ain't paying the bills, I'll just tell you that. But also, in addition to that, my youngest son got married. We decided to finish our basement and make an apartment for them down there. So I had to complete all that, all the plumbing, all the electrical, all the HVAC, all that had to get done. And I did most of it myself. They painted it. I did not hang the sheetrock and I did not put the tile down. And in addition to that, all the stuff that was there, we had to move it out. So my garage, which was already pretty packed, is now completely packed. We've got a little pod in the driveway. So phase 2 of this process is going to be cleaning up, sorting, getting rid of stuff in the garage and trying to make the garage at least navigable. So but hopefully during that process, I'll still be able to kind of get back on track on videos. So my goal is going forward to, I don't know if I'm going to start back with 2 videos a week because I just don't know if I'm able to do that. I do have some footage in the can. I've got several battle box videos I'm going to post up here. Just kind of throw them out there. This battle box we're going to talk about in a minute, I'm going to give away is going to be one of those videos. And it's a pretty nice box. I've got some knife reviews. I'm going to start back on some Sharp Saturdays. I've got some gun stuff, some shotgun stuff. I'm going to make a video about why I spent last year a little over $500 for a gun that will not fire and will never fire. I'm going to do some skill videos again. I'm trying to get back into some more skill stuff. I got some ideas, not just outdoor stuff, but all sorts of skill stuff. I bought a drone. This is from Exo Drones. This is the only drone company that I'm aware of made in the USA, as far as I understand that. So we're talking about that, and maybe we'll go over some stuff about learning to fly drones and stuff. I'm going to try to get a drone license because you're supposed to have a license to drive all these things now, blah, 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 whatever. And a couple other things. About 2 months ago, I visited South Carolina, went to Palmetto State Armory. They had this gathering thing, and I had some, I saw some pretty cool stuff there and made some videos, and I just hadn't had time to get them edited, so I'm going to get that up and post those out here. And then I am going to just try to get back clicking along on track. If you got anything you want to see, please post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best. You know, I can use your ideas, okay? My brain is so tired right now from all the stuff I've been going through for the last few months. Like, sometimes I just want to sit down and go and take a nap. But I'm gonna endeavor to persevere, and we're gonna get through this. So, Chuck Norris doesn't cheat death. He wins fair and square. And the way this is gonna work, I'll give you a quick sneak in this thing. I don't know if it's got a value in here or not. It doesn't really have a value on this box, but this thing has got some really cool stuff in it. Like this is one that I thought, man, I like this. I might just have to keep this. This has got a really cool stuff in it, but I'm going to give it to somebody. And just to give you a quick sneak peek, I just want to check this knife out here, man. This is a really cool little knife. I like this. This thing is really, I don't know what it is about it. It's a Hongi Tactical, but I like it a lot. Somebody's going to win this, and here's how you can win. Let me rephrase that for the lawyers. Here's how you can get your chance to win. Get on your old Google machine there and go to survivalonpurpose.com/giveaway. Now, when you get to that page, there's going to be a little form on there. You're going to put your email, and I think you put your username or something in there. Just whatever blanks are in there, fill them out. Pay very close attention because this always screws people up for some reason. When that happens, you're going to get an email to that email address with a little confirmation link you have to click saying, I have your permission to email you back, because I don't want to be a spammer, right? I hate spam. So when that happens, you'll get a confirmation saying you're in. So 2 things to think about. First of all, every time I do this, I get some emails from somebody, some messages from somebody say, hey, there's no form, it's not working. But yet I get hundreds of entries that do work from the same survivalonpurpose.com/giveaway. So if it doesn't work for you, try a different browser. Go to Google, Chrome, or Firefox or whatever. If you're trying it on your phone and it doesn't work, maybe try a different browser on your phone, or go to your computer and try it. I promise you, I test them before it works. I test them before I release this, it works. Second of all, if you are already subscribed to my newsletter, which hasn't been, again, all year, I've been way slack on that, you still need to enter for this contest, because it's a brand new, that email address is clean, it's brand new. But when you are in for this contest, you will be subscribed to the newsletter. If you don't want it, just if I ever get around to giving one again, sending one again, then just click unsubscribe. It's no big deal. It won't hurt my feelings or anything. So we're gonna let this run for we'll say till August the 1st. August the 1st, and then I'll pick a winner, and I will notify the winner at the email that you put in that little form. So if you want to have a real chance to win, make sure you put an email in there that you're going to check, and check your spam folder. And I will also make a little announcement on the channel. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and turn your notifications on. Click that little bell; you'll get your notifications. And I will I'll post a little notice on the channel. It'll be just a message that you'll get if you're a subscriber. So about who the winner is, when they won. So again, real quickly, survivalonpurpose.com/subscribe. Enter your information, click submit or whatever it says on there. Enter, and then check your email that you just the one you just put in there for your email address, and click a little confirmation link in that email, and then you'll be entered in the giveaway. Anyway, hopefully that was worth sticking around to the end of this rambling video for. As always, I really appreciate your sticking with me through all this, through my slackness and my lack of posting and all that. I promise we're going to get back on track. And I really appreciate you watching this video. Thank you so much for supporting Survival on Purpose. Remember, survival is not an accident, so be prepared. I'll see you next time.